Here is how you create and automate a report. Simply by clicking on Reports, opens up your report builder. Under this top tab of filters, you get a range of tabs across the top here. Firstly, customers. As you can see, every tab is defaulting to everything in your system. So you can create a report from all of your customers or just search for a customer. Same with cards, you can do all your cards or search for a particular card. Sites, vehicles, drivers, groups of vehicles. Date range, so you can choose from these pre-selected settings, or you can choose the date that you wish to create a report from. In this case, we're going to do a report of all transactions in the previous hour. I'm going to choose what I wish to download, so I can download all sorts of information, or I can select, I'll deselect these two. All I want is the raw download. On columns, I can choose the columns I wish to show. I can click and hold and shift them around to suit a system I may be importing into, so that makes it very easy to use. Transactions, I can choose if I don't want to see any transaction under 5 litres or under 10 litres, I can choose an amount to download from or to. The same with a odometer reading. I can then run my report, and I generate the report for the last hour of transactions. If I scroll to the bottom, I get the options of how to export. In this case, we will choose to export to Excel, and that report then can be automated. If I go back to the top here, go back under filters, I can then choose to name this report. I'll call this report Demo Report, and I'll save it. The report has been saved successfully under the next tab of saved reports. Here it is here, Demo Report. I can then click Automate, and I can choose how often I want to have that report. I can then choose another 10 people that may want to receive that report as well, and I can then choose in which format, either in Excel, CSV, PDF, and so on. I can click Automate, and that report will be generated and emailed out to the recipients that you've chosen.